Okay, what we got here is that I'm coming in from the front end of the wiring harness, and I'm connected on to the orange wire, and I've got 11.30 volts. If I come over here and I connect on to the green, I get pretty much about the same. Depends on where that's slid to. So I get pretty much about the same. Now, the issue is this. I've got light on here, but I have no light over there. Now, if I see the wire here is what's going over there. So if I connect onto the orange here, I still don't get no light over there. Now, if I connect onto the green here, see there, I get light over there, but I don't get no light if I connect it onto the orange over to there. So I've got this wire coming off from the the brown. So the brown goes to the yellow, over to that yellow over there. And then this right here is supposed to, that's supposed to be on for my brake lights. And then I've got the black wire right here connected up to the black here for the lights. So everything should be working, but it's not. So any ideas on why, is there something wrong inside of the plug that's causing a problem? Or is there something else? So I bypassed all these wires over here. So all these, the red, the yellow, and the black wire, is connected onto that new bulb socket right over there. Just like over here, I put a new bulb socket over here, and I've got all the wires connected here. Except that I don't have new wires. This is just connected onto the old stuff because this side works. So the driver's side works, the passenger side does not. So any ideas on why my passenger side brake and turning signal does not work? Any ideas? Please let me know, because I don't know what else to do. I mean, the only thing that I know to do temporarily is to run off from the green, and that'll make both of the brake lights work. But when I turn on the turning signal to the left, it's going to look like I've got my four-way flashers on, because both of them are going to flash. But I'm not going to have a right turning signal. So any ideas, please, by all means, let me know. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.